Now let's going to perform the remote desktop connection. First, go to search CMD, then run as administrator. Go to Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, then properties, highlight IPv4, then next, then change IP address, which is 192 and 168.0.1, then default gateway 192.168.0.2, then click OK, close, then go to another PC, which is the PC2, then same procedure, go to Network and Sharing Center, then change adapter setting, then properties, highlight IPv4, then next, change IP address 192.168.0.2, then default gateway 192.168.0.1. Okay, close, then go to the network properties, go to the network or computer, then properties, then click next, okay, search control panel, then network sharing center, then change adapter setting, then turn off, then turn off, turn off, turn off all except the password, then save changes, then go to the PC2, same procedure, network sharing center, then turn off, except the password, turn off, then go to the computer properties, apply, okay, next PC, then change computer, which is 192.168.0.2, then enter your password, which is the p@ss word, then click save. Then right click, create a folder,
Ako sa video, ako sa YouTube mo rin. Go.
Right click, create a folder, rename, so it's up to you guys kung unsa inyong name sa inyong folder. Log into the another PC, which is the PC2. Then delete your folder. Right click, delete your folder. Once deleted, that's all. Remote desktop connection. So type cmd, run as administrator, then click yes, then type cfc, scan now. And that's all. Thank you. And now let's perform the hard disk scan. First, type cmd, then run as administrator. Click yes. Type C H key, DS key. Then as you can see the percentage, and that's all for the hard disk scan. Thank you. And now let's perform the checking OS. Type cmd, run as administrator, then click yes, then type C H key NTFS space, then F colon. Then as you can see, it's not dirty. So it's not dirty. That's all for the checking OS. And now let's perform the defragmentation. So go to the search box, search defragmentation, then open, then choose the drive you wanted to defrag. Then optimize. Then another one. Optimize. Then that's all for the defragmentation. Okay. Now let's perform the disk cleanup. First, click Windows A, then go to the disk PC, then click the drive you wanted to clean up, then right click Properties, then Tools, then click Check, then Scan Drive, and that's all for the disk cleanup. Click OK. And now let's perform the system restore. Click, type system restore, then click system restore, then click next, then choose the you wanted to restore, then click next, then finish, and then yes. Then preparing to restore your system. And that's all for the system restore.